Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix or how we can speed up our Google Chrome browser in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And let's go into the process. So now let's open our Google Chrome browser. And once this is open, you will see in the upper right corner a three-dot button. So please do click on it. And let's go to extensions, manage extensions. And in here, all we need to do is just remove all the extensions that you have added that are that you don't identify or that's unwanted. And you can do that by simply clicking this remove button here. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is to go to the system options. So please make a click again on the three-dot icon, and then let's go to settings options. And from the left pane you will see the system options, so do please click on it, and then you will see use graphics acceleration when available options. Please make sure that this is turned on, and once done, please do proceed with the reset settings options. And here we have to restore settings to their original default, so just please click on it, and then there's no need to worry here because the bookmarks, the history, and the save passwords won't be affected. So just proceed on clicking reset settings, and once done, let us do another step. So you will see 5 commands in the description box below that I have provided. Please do copy the first command, and let's go to the command prompt window. So here in the Windows search bar, please type cmd, and then under best match, if you see command prompt options, please do make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator, and then just proceed on clicking yes. And in here the black window will be up. So here please do paste the first command that you will see in the description box below. Let me just copy this one, and then let's paste it here. And once done pasting, please do click on enter. And then we have now successfully reset the winsock catalog. So in this section, we need to paste again the second command. So we need to paste all these 5 commands in the same window. Paste. And again, we're done with the first 2, so let's proceed with the third. Copy and then paste and then enter. After pasting, just click on enter. And then copy again. And then paste. We're now on the 4th one. And for the last one, let's copy the last. Copy and then paste. And then once done, click on enter. And once all these commands are now pasted in this window, we can now have a quick restart with our device and see if it's already working, or see if the speed of the Google Chrome is now better than before. Okay, so if you still have some issues, you can also clean the junk in the computer, and we can do that by, let me just exit those windows, by opening a run window. So we can do that by clicking or by pressing Windows R key altogether, and let this run window to be up on our screen. So once this is up, all we need to do is just type for clean mgr, and then click on OK or enter. And then this cleanup window will be up on our screen. All we have to do here is to select for the files that you want to be deleted from your device. Okay, so if you want to delete recycle bin, just check it, select the temporary files, everything that you want to be deleted and from your device. And then once you're done selecting, please do click on OK, and then click on delete files, and then just wait for this to finish, and then we'll do the last step. Okay, so the last thing is to go to your task manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then go to task manager options. So wait for this task manager window to be up on your screen. Now once you're here, please do proceed to the startup apps, and what you're going to do here is just to disable all the enabled apps that you don't want to be associated during startup. So for example, this application, To disable this one, just select it and then just make a right click on it and then click on this disable button. Okay, so that would be all. So I hope that you found this video helpful and you followed the process accordingly. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.